हमने आपको हमारे ख़ास प्रोग्राम बायजूस यंग जीनियस में मिलवाया बायजूस के यंग जीनियस लिडियन नादसोरम से। आइए दिखाते हैं हमारे प्रोग्राम में आने के बाद कैसा रहा इनका तजुर्बा।
बायजूस यंग जीनियस में हमारी कोशिश है आपसे मिलवाएं उन नायाब सितारों से, उन नायाब हीरो से जो कि हमारे देश भर में फैले हुए हैं, यंग जीनियसेस जिनकी उम्र छोटी है पर कारनामे बड़े। एक ऐसे ही यंग म्यूजिकल जीनियस से हम रूबरू हुए बायजूस यंग जीनियस में। उनका नाम है लिडियन नादसोरम, जो अभी हमारे साथ जुड़ रहे हैं वापस। लिडियन, हाय, दिस इज आनंद हियर। हाउ आर यू?
Oh, hello, uncle. I'm fine, uncle. Thank you.
How was the experience on Baijus Young Genius? Because I had a fantastic time watching you perform, talking to you. Did you enjoy yourself?
Of course, I did enjoy myself, and it was an honor for me to be there. And I also played in a Steinway piano, so which is very rare to play in India.
What stood out for me was your Jugalbandi, that impromptu, jamming with Shankar sir.
Yeah, I also did with Shankar Mahadevan, uncle, which was a real bless for me.
Great. And have you, how has the family back home reacted? How have your friends reacted?
Yeah, they are also happy by watching me on the Baijus Young Genius show. And they're all feeling really happy. And they shared it and they spread the news. Spread the news.
Thanks, Lydian. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Genius, young genius.